soap scum, chalky mineral deposits, spots on dishes and glassware. If you live in one of the estimated 85% of American homes with hard water, you're all too familiar with these unpleasant sights. But what about the effects of hard water you can't see, like pipes clogged with scale buildup, damaged water-using appliances, and mineral deposits in water heaters? Left untreated, these invisible threats to your plumbing system can cause decreased pressure and flow, lower energy efficiency, and premature appliance failure. The PWSCAB45K Residential Cabinet Water Softener offers whole house, point of entry protection against the effects of hard water and scale in a special cabinet designed for limited space applications. Through the ion exchange process, the PWSCAB45K reduces dissolved calcium and magnesium, replacing them with sodium ions, as well as traces of iron and sediment. This helps to prevent lime scale buildup and protect the health and performance of your plumbing system and water-using appliances. Boasting the same 45,000 grain maximum softening capacity as the full-size PWSR145, the PWSCAB45K's space-saving low-profile design is ergonomically engineered for easy salt fill with a generous salt storage capacity. The PWSCAB45K is built on one of the most reliable softener control valves in the industry and boasts state-of-the-art programming designed to maximize softening efficiency and save salt and water. And with a flow rate of 12 to 16 gallons per minute, this small but mighty softener is powerful enough to meet the water usage demands of most multi-bathroom residential homes. This system features a long-lasting and highly dependable softening resin. Depending on the number of people in your home, water hardness, and water usage, you should typically only need to add pellet salt once every 3 to 6 months to ensure your system continues to provide beautifully softened water. Preserve your water pressure and flow, enjoy better performing soaps and detergents, and protect appliance lifespan when you soften your water with the PWSCAB45K Residential Cabinet Water Softener. For additional details on this product, head to watts.com/purewater.